everyone! Welcome to my... It's an unboxing. What the fuck are you doing? This, right here, this is mine. I'm gonna do it. We've got a big old box. And there's the box. Thanks for watching! If I stab myself, you'll get to see it. This doesn't have boxes. Oh, check that baby out. Nice. Let's open the box up. Look at all the boxes you're getting. Oh, shit. Don't play with scissors, kids. Don't scissor with kids. Whoa! Okay, so this is the keyboard. A little smaller than I expected, but, it'll have to do. Hello. Yes, I need instructions on how to set up a keyboard. Warranty. I won't break it. Warranty guide. I won't look at that. Mechanical keyboard. It's upside down. Yep, it's a keyboard. Righty-tighty tiddly-too. What the fuck is this? Oh, it's a wrist. Neat. That over there, and never use it again. It's got a... Oh shit, I'm ruining this sexy box. It's a keyboard. Woo. Now, the moment of truth, the whole reason I actually got this one. Can you hear that? Of course you can't. It's brilliant. With a time like this, you can probably hear it. So we've got a mouse. Wow, I'm really bad at this. It's like cocaine to me, except cocaine is cocaine to me. Flicky legs. Durable, field knife. Yeah, that'll do. Oh wait, this thing. How does this work? It clippy whippies. Oh, that's real nice. So I just realized it doesn't have macro keys. I use those a lot in editing, so I may have just fucked myself. See you next time.